Let's play a guessing game today. I'm going to give you 10 different clues to different kinds of animals. Let's see how many you can guess. I am black and white. I'm not a newspaper or an old TV. I'm a type of animal, and I start with the letter Z. What am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! I'm a zebra. I'm a type of animal of which a nightkin is a male. I like to climb trees and collect nuts. It's said I have a very bushy tail. What am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! I'm a squirrel. I travel very slowly. It's said my shell can weigh me down. I can be found hiding in your garden. What am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! I'm a slimy snail. I'm known as a king, and the jungle's where I reign. I have a mighty mane that's very hard to tame. Who am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! I'm a lion. Hear me roar. I use my wings as flippers to help me swim in the water. And when I'm on land, I like to slide on my belly on the ice. Who am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! Penguin! Waddle, waddle, waddle! If I'm a male, you call me a stallion. If I'm a female, you call me a mare. And you can ride on me. Who am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! I'm a horse, of course. I like to hop around, and when I'm small, I'm a tadpole. I am green and croak, and you can find me by the pond. Who am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! I'm a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. I'm a pet that has 4 legs and a tail at the end. You might hear me barking, and I'm known to be man's best friend. What am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! Roof, roof. I'm a dog, a very common house pet. My babies are called kittens. The number of lives that I have is 10 less 1. Who am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! I'm a cat. Meow. If you see me when you're camping, I might give you a fright. I can be black or brown, and sometimes even black and white. What am I? 1, 2, 3. Guess! I'm a bear. Hear me growl. Hope you enjoyed playing Who Am I today. Let me know in the comments how many of the 10 you guessed on your first try.